Hello, welcome. This is a quick overview of some of the functionalities you have in this visual learning environment. Okay, as a student, once you log in, so this is what you're going to have. So from up here, this is where you can make a search. You can search for people within the platform. So you can make a search and can have a quick view of their profile. Okay, then here, this is where you can get notifications. So you can see we have for me, I have one new course material and 2 new course connections. So if there's any new notifications, I'm going to get it here. So this is for message. So you can send message to anyone within the platform. So you can search for users. So you can search for any person. So you can make a search and send the person message. They're going to get it once they come online. So then this is quick action of your profile. So here, you can view your profile, you can see help, you can lock your account, you can log out. Okay, so this is where, this is where you get the latest uploaded material. Okay, you can see I have one material, so this is it, uploaded by the tutor. So you can see the material. Okay, I can leave a comment as a student. I can say, thanks. Okay, I can say thanks. So you can leave a comment, maybe you can leave a feedback, maybe you needed to get more information about the material, so you can leave a feedback and the lecturer will get to see your feedback as well. Okay, so this is where you see the list of the newest uploaded lecture materials or lecture notes from the tutors. Okay, then this is where you can get updates within the platform. Okay, so news and updates, so it is where you get it. Okay, so you can read more, you can like it, so you click here to like, you can probably read more about it. Okay, so then this is for connections. So this is where you can view, you can see people within the platform, so you can connect with them. Maybe some of your friends, you can see your friends, you can send a connection request to them, they can equally accept your connection request. Then this is where this place is where you can share resources, or you can share resources or share information to your connections. And once you come, you can equally see the resources that has been provided by your connections as well. Okay, so by the left-hand side, on the side menu, so this is where we have email. So here you can send email to people within or external, outside the platform. Okay, so here you can send email to any person. Okay, so you enter the email. So here you can provide the email, you provide the subject, then you enter the email content or the message. You can equally attach a file, you can send an attachment to the person, then you send the mail. Okay, so this is it. So you can see your sent mail, you can see your draft, you can equally save the mail as well. Okay, so this is where you can attend live classes. So if there is any live class going on, you'll see that here from live class. Okay, so you have it. You can see the previous live class, you have them here. So this is today. Today is Monday, 5th. So if there's any class, you're going to see that, and from here you can join the class and partake in the class as well. So this is where you can see your attendance, the classes you attended. You can see we have 2 classes for this, but I didn't attend. Okay, so here you can see that, you can view your report as well. You can see the date and the meeting type. So this is where you can see your courses, the list of your courses. Okay, you can add new course from here. You click here, you can add some course. So from here you can select department, program, select the level, or you make a search. Maybe if you don't know the level or you don't know the department or the program, you can make a search of the course here, and you're going to get your feedback. Okay, so this is for course members. Okay, so this is where you can see your course members. Here I have 2 members, so you can view the students. Okay, you can only view course rep, which has not been assigned. You can view the instructors as well. Then this is announcement. So there is no announcement yet. I don't think if there's any announcement yet. Okay, you can see there's no announcement yet. So the instructors are yet to provide an announcement. So once that is published, you're going to see that here as well. And we have assignments. So this is where you can get assignment. So there is no active coursework yet. So lecturers is yet to create an assignment for this course. So once that is created, you're going to get the notification. You're going to get, once you come here, you see the assignment, you can see the due date, when it's ending, and when you have to submit last, okay? And this is where you can see your study guides and your lecture materials. So the study guides, there's no study guide yet. Go to lecture notes. So we have lecture notes for this. So you can view lecture notes. You can see we have week 1. So these are the lecture notes. As a student, you can equally provide your feedback. You can say, okay, yeah. So remember the feedback you provided from the homepage. You can see I have my feedback here. So I say thanks. Then from here you can view drive. This is for course drive. You can see under here we have 4 files, so you can download them. You can click here, you download them. Okay, so you can see I'm downloading this. So I've downloaded it. You can see I have it here. So this is it. And so we have study guides, we have lecture notes, then we have drive. Okay, then for accounts, so this is where you can view your profile. So we recommend every student to update their profile. So update your profile. So from here you can update your profile. So fill in the information, and you can change your password. Maybe you believe that someone else have access to your password. You can change that here. You can change your profile pics here. So from here you can do that. So this is an overview, a quick overview on the platform and some of the functionalities. Thank you so much, and please make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel as well. So this will help you to always get updated. If we have any changes, if we have any new updates, you will be notified. So please make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel. So that's Kodos Triangle. You can make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Bye.